Welcome back to Racing Retro Cars.
Look how good she's looking now with some refreshed bumpers, new splitter, new air dam as well. Yes, I actually did some body work. That was me, the front bumper was me. So we didn't do the front without doing the rear as well. I don't know if you remember how ugly the rear bumper used to be. But yeah, that one's not me though, that was flash paints. So yes, of course, if you've been seeing the updates on our Facebook page, we've got a Saxo engineering rear suspension setup. Pretty crazy, yeah, pretty, if you've seen it before, yeah, you'll know, but if you've not seen it before, you'll think, what is that? But yeah, rocker style rear suspension coilovers on the back of a Saxo is what it is. So right, let's get into the video and we'll tell you what we've been up to. Okay, so apart from making my Saxo look a bit more pretty with some bodywork on the bumpers, I've still not done this wing. All right, don't worry about that. We will get there. We might end up going racing with that looking like that for the first event. I don't know. Okay, we're against the clock in a big way. Yeah, no pun intention, obviously. 25. We need a 6 there, don't we? So, so yeah, my Saxo engine went back in it, gearbox back in it. I've not driven it. It's not been to the track. It has been started up. Everything sort of seems okay, but yeah, we're hoping to go to the track, as in Cadwell Park, maybe tomorrow. So yeah, there's a few less stickers on the car. We don't have our Racing Retro Cars name on the side of the car at the moment. Reason being, every year the car ends up getting different championship stickers, so we tend to peel off most of them. We've left a few of them on there, and let's focus on EBC brakes as well. Because EBC brakes, well, we just received a parcel from them this morning. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Yeah, EBC brakes, if you're not aware, are one of our sponsors of the car. They've supported us for quite a few years now, and I believe they do the best brake pads for time attack, which we'll get into what they are. We'll let you know what we use, and we'll let you know why we think they're the best for time attack as well. So let's get this open. Of course, Northampton, that's the UK. If you're watching from overseas on our YouTube channel, so just opening here. I've got an idea of what's in the box, but I mean, this is a heavy box, 24 kilos of, you know, brakes and stuff. So I think I know what it is to get us going. Just put that there. So look. The pads we use on the front, RPX. So RPX pads and DP8002, and I use those in the high spec calipers there. They're listed as AP, Aston Martin. Okay, so, but these are absolutely phenomenal brake pads, RPX pads. The reason I think they're great for time attack is lap 1, they're ready to go. You can lean on the brakes straight away. Obviously brake pads always need running in. A running in process, which it happens quite quickly on those, but yeah, no needing to really lean on the brakes to get the brakes to work. So that's what we use in the front, and what we use in the rear are EBC blue. Okay, so Saxo, just good old standard Saxo rear calipers in the back there. So right, what have we got in here? Oh look, very nice of them. They've sent extra spares. They are very good to us, aren't they, EBC? Thank you. Right, so we're looking at discs. So I use standard Saxo rear disc. Oh my god, these are heavy. And on the front, we're using, does it say it on the box? Doesn't say it on the box. This barcode will USR 612s. And USR 615. USR stands for the disc pattern. I'll show you the disc pattern. So we'll go ahead and open what I believe are rear discs for our Saxo. Let me just get something to open that, because these are... Oh no, it's going to go. Okay, so they're labelled left and right handed because these should be grooved brake discs. And I do see a lot of people running the grooves in the wrong direction, which they are directional. The grooves are there and they go in a direction for a purpose. So, right in the belly. I'm so excited. Well, EBC, right? I mean, just before I show you this, EBC makes some of the prettiest looking brake discs. Look at that. Beautiful. So it's got the EBC name on there, all the details, all the specs for the disc. So that'd be a rear, and that should be, I'm not going to look at the box, but I think that should be a driver's side rear, right hand rear. Right, so yeah, I was right. Yeah, so, I mean, look at those. Beautiful, yeah. Just as pretty on the back side as well. So we'll get those on, okay? We'll get those on real soon. So that would be the rears. So there's a pair of those. Now let's have a look at the fronts. We did a lot better job of opening that one. So again, labelled up left and right. Oh, these are nice looking. So what we've got here is the front discs. So these, for my car, okay, 306 GTI 6 brake discs. So 283 millimeters, should be 22 mil thick. Minimum thickness is 20, so these are going to be 22 mil thick diameter. So quite skinny, but because, you know, weight saving. One of the car's biggest strength is that it's light. Actually weighed the car and corner weighted it. It was only yesterday, so with a full tank of fuel, no driver, 840 kilos, okay? No, sorry, 835 kilos. I weighed it first at 840 kilos and then realised I had all my racewear in there. So then with my weight, I'm 90 kilos when I get in there. So we did some corner weights with it yesterday, got it set up. I've just strung the car up this morning as well. And then of course, EBC delivered some brakes. So let's take the opportunity to just, you know. So thanks EBC. We'll get these on. We'll get them on in another video, but these are beautiful, aren't they? Right, so a couple of small jobs I need to get sorted before trying to get on track tomorrow is brake cooling ducts. So these were originally on a standard Saxo bumper. These are fog lights, but I've smoothed in, yeah, some brake ducts. And before we did that, we was going through wheel bearings at every single event, just to show you, yeah, bit of silicone joiner, okay, from there, the flexi. And yeah, that's how we do brake ducts on a Saxo. A bit rough in there. We're going to do some restoration at the end of this year on the car. Wheel arches definitely are getting done, underbody, and yeah, some more prettier looking car. I think we might even change the colour of the car. It's been white for 11 years. Yeah, quite fancy going. I'm not going to say it. I'll just do it. Time Attack Championship starts on, is it the 4th of May? I'm sure it's the 4th of May. May bank holiday, so that's in less than 2 weeks' time. 2 weeks. What have we been doing and why haven't we been testing yet? Well, if I'm honest, we've been blessed with all of our customers bringing in their cars. You know, they need to go racing as well. We've got another Time Attack Saxo here. This is one that runs in the Pocket Rocket class. We've been looking after another, well, doing a little bit, I won't say looking after, but doing a little bit with another Time Attack car as well, which runs in the same class as ourselves. And of course, you know, just other jobs. There's a couple of cars parked outside of the workshop. Let me show you what they are. Royston's just arrived in his RS6. He only parks it next to my Touring because, you know, he saw mine and he wanted one himself, of course, quality. But yes, otherwise, we've got a nice S2000 out here, hard race, bush kit, BC coilovers, lots of other bits going on with that. Q5 in for some repairs to the gearbox as well, and a little Audi A3 for a turbo as well. So yeah, look at this. Whoa. Right then guys, that's just a small update for you. We'll be going testing tomorrow. Hopefully, if they'll let us on track, like I say, it's fully booked. but we're going to arrive with all our gear and we're going to use our manners and see if we can just get on for an hour in the afternoon. It'd be great if we could get more than that. Either way, we'll see you next time. The next video with the Saxo, all being well, it's either going to be a test day, or dare I say it, it might be time attack. We'll see you next time. Cheers.